Welcome to all. Today we are going to see about how to update SDK based sources for ImGui or Java based or something etc. like that. First one, we require the SDK folders and SDK.hpp, and also we need the Android MK codes for adding into the SRC. Okay, first I am extracting the source and I will update it. Just to watch it fully. And updated SDK files are available at our official website that also mentioned in this video, www.blog.dorkspot.in, and also that was available in our channel at Telegram dorkspot. Okay, now I am going to the SRC, and I am mentioning the SDK folder and SDK.hpp, and also I am opening the current versions SDK zip file, and I also opened that in my left side, and SDK folders and SDK.hpp also deleted. Now extracting that from the my zip file and to SRC folder. Okay, now I am replacing the SDK.hpp and SDK folders. Now it will be adding. Okay, I am just skipping the delay of copying process. Okay, now I have added. Now the SDK.hpp have the contain the proper SDK names, and now I am going to copy the Android MK codes from left side. That means I have a current version SDK, and I will copy the code and I am pasting in sources. That means SDK based source Android.mk, and I have pasted. And now I have saved. That's all. The SDK source was updated to the current version. Thank you for watching, guys.